Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Stripe CLI and test mode keys, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have the Stripe CLI installed on your machine. You can download it from the official Stripe website. Once downloaded, open your terminal or command prompt. Type Stripe login and press enter. This command will generate a link to authenticate with your Stripe account. Copy the link displayed in the terminal. Open your web browser and paste the link into the address bar. You will be prompted to log into your Stripe account. After logging in, you may need to authorize the Stripe CLI. Once authorized, return to your terminal. You should see a confirmation message indicating that you are logged in. Next, verify that you are in test mode. You can switch to test mode by using the terminal command stripe env set test. This ensures that all operations you perform will not affect your live data. To retrieve your test mode keys, log into your Stripe dashboard. Navigate to the Developers section and then API keys. Here, you'll see your publishable key and secret key for test mode. Copy the secret key. You will need this for making API calls. Now, return to your terminal. To set your test secret key in your environment variables, type export stripe_secret_key equals your _secret_key. Replace your _secret_ key with the key you just copied. After setting the key, you can test various Stripe functions using the CLI. For example, use the command Stripe payments create amount 2000 currency USD payment _method PM_card_Visa. This will simulate a payment of $20 with a test card. You can explore more commands by typing Stripe help. This displays a full list of available operations. That concludes the authentication process with the Stripe CLI. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.